Get acquainted with the 2024 Kia EV9. Check out this impressive Kia EV9, the all-electric three-row family hauler that offers everything you need to make the future bright. With an 800-volt electrical architecture, super-fast DC charging speed, slick digital displays, and a spacious, comfortable cabin, you'll have all the ingredients for making road trip dreams come true. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, moonroof, navigation system, heated mirrors, heated rear seat, power passenger seat, remote engine start, power liftgate. Feel the excitement of all-electric performance in this striking EV9. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.